Hello everyone, it's Mark again, coming to you from the 13th floor. And today I'm going to show you what to do with that little sheets of paper that is red on one side with black dots and green on the other. Today we're going to make strawberries. And here's what they look like when they're finished.
Yummy.
They are yummy. So this is the paper that you will be using. You should have gotten it in the mail yesterday or the day before that. And what I'd like you to do first is go ahead and fold it into a preliminary base. Just like this. Now, since this is a tiny piece of paper, I'm going to use a sheet of paper a little larger for this, meaning this paper, which I've already folded into a preliminary base. And it's going to yield strawberries, or more like red bell peppers.
There you go.
So here we go. And just so you know, I'm going to do a video on how to make the papierschale bowl next time. So you'll have some place to put your strawberries in. Normally I would teach the bowl first, but I know you got that paper in the mail. You're wondering what to do with it. So let's go ahead with that. So we're going to start out as if we were going to make a frog base, meaning we're going to take the flaps of the preliminary base, lift them straight up, and squash them. And as members of the East Denver Origami Society, you know that this center crease here lines up with these folds here as well. So we're going to do a lot of turning the model over, a lot of little dances, or as the folks on the East Coast call it, the minor miracle. We call it the little dance. At least on the east side of Denver. I can't speak for the whole city. Okay, so this shouldn't be anything new for you. And now we're going to go ahead and do the kite folds. But before we do that, we're going to do the little dance once. We're going to take this flap, fold it away from us, flip the whole thing over, flip it away, so that we have the solid red print on this side. Well, there'll be the little black dots too, but they don't make big paper with little black dots. So we're folding more kite folds like so. We got the front and the back, so now we'll lift up two flaps closest to us, fold it away from us, lift the whole thing up, set it back on the table, take these two flaps, fold them away, and now we have fresh material to work with. That's what we call the little dance. And you may be interested to know that this is really rather vintage origami model, designed by a lady named Rae Cooker. The instructions were did appear in the Origami magazine, but I learned this from a book in Japanese by Toshi Takahama. Okay, so now we've gotten the 4 points, 4 green points folded down. And now we're going to do the little dance again to get to the plain red side. And now we're going to do these folds. We're taking the top corner on each half and we're folding it to the center line. A lot of back and forth with this model. So that's the folding. And now we're, as you'll notice with the big one here, that there are flaps that are touching together on 4 corners. And those flaps, we're going to take these green sides with the green tips and we're going to hold them together. And the green leaves, we're going to pop up. So these get held together. This pops up. This gets held together. This pops up. Okay, just like that. So you see it, we're holding it in kind of an X shape. And we're holding, there, that's right. Okay, and we're holding every 2 flaps together. Okay, now here we go, we're gonna blow it up. And there we have, if it were smaller, a little strawberry. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope I gave you enough paper to make a sizable bowl of strawberries. And when we meet next, I'm going to show you how to make the bowl. Have fun with the strawberries. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time.